Hi everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I'm going to share with you my tag journal digital kit. And here's the tag journal already made, and I'm going to show you how it looks. But let me show you the papers real quick. And I just want to say, just print it out on cardstock. I use 110 pound. I buy mine at Walmart. And there's no right or wrong way to make this tag book. It's whatever way you want to do it. So let me show you the papers real quick. Let me move that over here. And we'll get this centered so you can see. So everything in here is either a tag or ephemera or a tag base. So this is the kit, and it's called Tag Journal Book. And of course all my images are vintage. You've got tag bases, you've got ephemera, you've got tags, little words, everything you can think of to make this tag book. And like this piece right here has tabs on each side. Some of them do not come with tabs, and what I did was when I was cutting it out, wherever I decided that I thought I might want to connect it together, I would leave little tabs. Like, see right there, you can leave a tab. You can leave a tab on this side. You can leave a tab at the bottom if you want to have it flipping up. So just have that in mind when you're cutting it out. And it'll all make sense to you when I go through the book. And I'm sure you've seen tag books before, so you probably already know exactly what I'm talking about. So everything coordinates together. Use very pretty colors. Birds, butterflies, and flowers. You know that's Hello Susan. And then you can either put a picture in here, or you can put words in there, you can stamp in there. Just use your imagination with this kit. It's so fun. I had a great time making it. And see here, this is a tag, but you can leave, just when you cut out, just make little tabs on it, so that you'll have options. Because once you cut it, you can still add tabs. You can still put a little strips and add it wherever you want it. So don't worry about that. It's just that it makes it a little bit easier if you leave them on when you're cutting them out. But I just love all the ephemera and stuff that comes with it. Here's a double page, or you can split them apart and do what you want. Very, very happy and feel. Oh, and this is happiness right there. Create the things you wish existed. That's what I do a lot of times. Can't find what I want, so I try to figure out how to make it. Isn't that cute? And then here's one that's all three that you can fold it accordion, or you can cut them apart and use them any way you want to. And it's got a little bit of script on there. Then it does come with 3 backgrounds, so your pages, your tags and stuff don't have to be just plain white. And there's this one, so it's very neutral, and then this white one, which is very neutral. It's got script on it. And then there's also a tea-dyed one, but my camera gets out of focus whenever I try to use that page, so I usually just tell you about it. Okay, so here's the tag book. It's got some rayon ribbon tied around it, and that's the back. See how you can see the little tab right there that I left in place so that I could do it. Now, like I say, I think that this could be made 1,000 different ways. I don't think that there's one way or right way. And I think if I tried to make it again, that I attached it right there so it wouldn't get lost, that I probably wouldn't be making it exactly the same. So let me zoom in. I just looked up and so that we could go in a little closer. Okay. So that's the front page, and it does say enjoy the journey. Then you open it up, and I put a little pocket, and see, that's that background page. So I printed that on the back of all of those tags. And then you can open it up this way. And see right here, I don't know if you can see it, but that's where this pocket is stuck to this pocket. And remember, that was the double page. So that turns into a little pocket right here that you can put something in. So that's that side. Then you go this way, and this flips out. And let me see if I can show you that. Some of them, yeah, there it is right there. See it right there? That's this one attached. And then here's a little pocket, and see there's tags inside that pocket. And then this one opens up this way, and then this opens up this way. So in reality, it could be like it's an accordion. So let me zoom back out so you can get the whole thing. So when you attach it all together, it's going to be like an accordion type thing. So they're all going to fold in on each other. And then if I just flip it over this way, then you can see it does the same thing. But there's pages, and then I put a double page there and a pocket. And then here's that bird cage. I decided to make it into a pocket. It's kind of confusing, even to me, trying to explain it to you, how it all is. But you just take all these bits and pieces and you just connect them all with those tabs, is what you do. That's just all it is. And then if you flip it back over, then you've got these flip outs. Isn't that fun? I had a great time doing that, but like I said, I don't think I could do it again and it would turn out exactly like this one. And all you do is just make sure you leave some of those tabs on so that you have more options. Otherwise, you have to cut the cardstock and glue it to both sides, and then you might see more tabs. So this way, it just kind of hides some. And anywhere you can, put it in between the pages so it's not on the outside. But there is going to have to be some that's on the outside. Okay, so let me get it all folded back up together now. And that's the other thing. I can remember when I was putting it all together, then after I got finished, then it was like, okay, well, how do you fold it all back up together the way you want it? Because I think you could fold it up together many different ways too. Okay, let's zoom back in. Whoops, wrong way, sorry. Okay, so there is the tag book. Well, that's it for me today. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.